Let's deform an object using a lattice modifier. First of all, Shift A to add a UV sphere, and then Shift A again to add a lattice. Make sure you have your lattice selected and scale it up. It should encapsulate the sphere entirely, so make sure that your sphere is inside your lattice. Alright, now click on your sphere, go to your modifier panel and choose a lattice modifier. Go to the object selection and choose your lattice. You can now click on your lattice and go down here to the object data properties. If you want to, you can increase the resolution maybe to 3. And now we can use this to edit the mesh of our object. So we can jump into edit mode and we can have a little play with some of the vertices. So I can grab vertices and move the mesh around. I can also rotate it. I can give it a bit of a twist. And I can scale it as well. But what if we want to use a lattice for animation? We can't animate inside of edit mode. So for animation, we're going to add some controllers to our lattice as well. So inside of edit mode, make sure you have your top row of vertices selected and press F3 to search. You want hook to new object. So click hook to new object, and that's going to add in an empty. Those vertices are now parented to the empty. Let's name this first empty pull, and let's do the same thing for the bottom row of vertices as well. So choose your bottom vertices, F3 once again, and hook to new object. Let's name the new empty anchor. So now if we go back into object mode, I can move these empties around. I can rotate, I can grab, and I can scale. Let's do a quick animation. So down here on your timeline, enable auto key, and let's press I to add a keyframe. Location, rotation, scale. Let's go over to frame 10 and give it a bit of a twist. Let's duplicate the first frame. Control C, frame 20, Control V. And let's grab the anchor as well. Back to frame 0. I to add a location, rotation, scale. And at frame 20, let's just do a big old scale. So if we play that back, we can see we have some pretty cool, some pretty cute animation deforming a sphere. Done.